they asked me to go to Harwa police station for those candidates. But the police took us. They took us in front of the BDO office, where the goons were waiting for us. It was published in the media. Goons were waiting. The police took us in the van, dropped us in front of the office. We were mercilessly beaten in front of the BDO office. This is in Harwa. In Minakha, we were taken inside, beaten inside the BDO's room, confined inside a room in the BDO office. All nomination papers were candidates shall assembled at Bosirat police station and shall be escorted by the police to the place where they shall file their nominations. 4 candidates who are present in court shall go to the High Street police station. The High Street police station shall escort them, notwithstanding the jurisdictional issue, to the respective places where they shall file their nominations. The police station of the police district through which they shall cross shall render all necessary assistance to the officers of the High Street police station. The list of the candidates is mentioned in paragraph 7 of the writ petition, and any other may be so assisted. Now, my lord, after this order, my lord, 4 candidates were escorted from High Street police station, and my lord, all the candidates, they, my lord, left for Bosirat police station. My lord, on the way, I called up the SP Bosirat police district. He said that you go to the, instead of going to Bosirat police station, you go to the respective police stations where the block situates. Because 4 blocks are involved, as I told you, Lordship, Sandeshkhali 1, Sandeshkhali 2, Minakha, Nazat, Harwa, Nazat, and Minakha, 5. So, my lord, they asked me to go to Harwa police station for those candidates. But the police took us. They took us in front of the BDO office, where the goons were waiting for us. It was published in the media. Goons were waiting. The police took us in the van, dropped us in front of the office. But we were mercilessly beaten in front of the BDO office. This is in Harwa. In Minakha, we were taken inside, beaten inside the BDO's room, confined inside a room in the BDO office. All nomination papers were snatched out.
So the 4 also could not file the nomination?
Nobody. Police, my lord, escorted us very safely and dropped us in front of the hooligans. Now, yesterday I lodged complaint, page 59.
Yes.
It is a matter of concern and regret that from the date of declaration of Panchayat election till 15 June, BJP candidates have faced obstructions, threats, criminal intimidation by ruling party, goons, hooligans who threatened BJP candidates and stopped them from filing their nominations. With reference to Honorable High Court,
where is your application seeking extension of time for filing the nomination papers?
Lord, I am before your lordships today. Since I could not file it, Lord, the division bench said that Panchayat, Lord, the election commission could do it. Yesterday, within the time, I approached the Honorable Court for security so that I could go. With security, even I could not file. So today I am before your lordships, my lord. There were prevention and obstructions. Admittedly, I'll show the rule. Now, let me place this later, my lord. This is very important. I'll be very precise. It is a matter of concern and regret that from the...
Show how you were obstructed from filing the papers.
Under such circumstances, last paragraph, I would like to request you to take immediate steps against the local leaders, goons, TMC who have committed such heinous crime, and so and so. Lord, this was sent to Lord, CS West Bengal, NIC, and ACC West Bengal. So, Lord, as well as the SP and police officers. Kindly see the next page. Lord, the photographs which has been given.
No, it is all right. But then regarding this portion, this court does not have jurisdiction.
No.
Lord, you want your extension of time for filing the nomination papers?
On 2 grounds. One is the Honorable Division Bench, as para 34 has said, that the Election Commission in an appropriate state. And, my lord, this extension of today admittedly would not, my lord, alter the dates. There was a detailed argument before the Honorable Division Bench of the Honorable the Chief Justice made by Mr. Saha's client. Mr. Mitru was reading Mr. Saha. It was said that, not I will show that portion, that the commission has agreed that it can be extended for a day. No. For that, 1 day could be extended. I'll show.
Has any decision been taken by the commission for extension?
Well, the commission. No, you have instructions, Bolu.
Your Lordship, I will tell you, there was a specific case.
Before they take over, can you take this order?
She is not taking over. I just wanted to know whether any decision has been taken for extension.
No, Your Lordship,
Not
I will
yet.
tell you.
No, I'll hear you.
Yes.
But then the answer is a no.
Only for a specific part. That is for Shiksha Bandhus, which
Shiksha Bandhus,
Oh,
the
yes,
matter you
yes.
moved
I moved
yesterday.
before your lordship, but since
Yes.
it was not highlighted and the commission's order came to us very late in the evening, that was placed before appeal. The division bench was hearing and it said that since it was not much publicized, in peculiar circumstances, we are extending
Shiksha
the time
Bandhus,
to
well,
only 6 hours.
otherwise, in
No.
general, no.
No.
Very well.
It is, however, observed that the discretion to extend the time for completion of election under proviso of section 43(1) lies entirely upon the commission, and this court leaves such matter to be decided by the commission in accordance with law and in the light of observations made herein above, and also taking note of the submission of Mr. Mitro, and a senior advocate appearing for the commission, that the date can be postponed by 1 day without disturbing the schedule. Lord, I say that the commission itself says it could be extended for a day, number one. Number two, the court in paragraph 34 said you take a decision. Number three, within the time I approached your lordship's court gave me security of police, and the police could not make ensure that I could file nomination. So there is no fault on my part. It is the fault of the state to ensure law and order. So the State Election Commission should allow us to file nomination today, which will not disturb the schedule. We are waiting in front of the office of the sub-divisional officer, Bosirat, right? Sub-divisional officer Bosirat, where under section 46(2) an officer can be deputed. We are ready to file our nominations. We can file it within the time fixed by your lordships. So, and they will not be prejudiced as per para 28 and 30.
It has to be.
Yes, well, no, that submission was
How long
made.
does it take to file one nomination? Is it a long process?
No, my lord, I don't think, my lord. Will kindly permit, my lord, Mr. Senator.
As per
Kindly,
my
if my lordship have the permission
Yes.
to it's 4 or 5 tables, your lordship. It doesn't take much of a time. The only thing is that if they go over there, and the election commission has many times ensured that if the candidates are there and if the queue is there, they attend to each and everybody. It's not this that they just refuse that you cannot do this, you cannot do that. If there will be a direction, we are following it. It's not this
Well,
in true spirits regime.
but everybody is following, but people are not being able to reach to the office. Sir, my instruction is there are 60 candidates who are waiting in our party office, which is opposite to the office of the SDO Bosirat. For 60 people, it will take at least 3 hours to complete the process.
And it is only one place where all these nominations will be filed.
Because under section 46(2), it is a sub-divisional officer, so I have asked them to go there.
Subdivisional officer,
Sub-divisional
where
officer Bosirat.
so your men are standing over there.
Yes.
And the other political party men are also
But
there.
I don't know about them.
You don't know.
I have 60 candidates. How can I not know about
4
them?
o'clock sharp will meet here.
my lord.
One information to both my learned senior friend. The matter which I moved because of Mantha yesterday, there are 3 writ petitions. One was being moved by Mr. Bhattacharya. Lord, he mentioned the matter, it appeared today. His lordship, Lord, has called for a report from the highest authorities of the state as to what exactly happened in how his lordship's order was complied with. That is kept on Tuesday. So that's
Tuesday.
That's the information. But this issue is not there. This issue
Your lordship has asked me to come back in this matter. I will
Yes, yes.
take it, sir.
this issue is not there.
At 2 o'clock sharp.
কোথায় গেল? Lord, I'm grateful that your lordship has given us this time. Lord, I'm grateful to us.
Had to. We are here to render justice, not for any other reason.
Absolutely. Lord, only
Where is the state? Mr.
Mr.
Mohammed
Talib
Talib was there.
Lord, I beseech your lordship to hear me on this for 1 minute only. Lord, state yesterday gave police help. We could not file nomination.
Yes.
I have made, Lord, the Union Home Ministry party. Lord, if required, my Lord may direct them, Lord, the Union of India lawyer, so that they could arrange CRPF security so that we can go and file nomination. Because police failed admitted, despite the court's order.
And do you think that the CRPF is sitting over there idle?
Lord, there is a nearby BSF, Lord, depot where from it can be arranged.
The petitioner claims to be the district president of Bharatiya Janata Party,
Division officer.
Bosirhat district. Stop. Allegation of the petitioner is that the candidates of the Bharatiya Janata Party are facing resistance in filing their nominations for the upcoming Gram Panchayat elections in the state. Stop. Next. The petitioner approached this court by filing a writ petition Justice Mantha's orders, please show.
Page 55.
Writ petition
14175 was my petition.
being WPA 14175 of 2023. Within bracket, Dr. Archana Mojumdar versus the West Bengal State Election Commission and others, which was heard by the court on 15th June 2023. And the court directed the candidates to assemble at Boshirhat police station. Stop. The candidates were directed to be escorted by the police to the place where they shall file their nominations. Stop. 4 candidates who were present in court was directed to report to the Hare Street police station, and the police station was directed to escort them, notwithstanding the jurisdictional issues, to the respective places for filing their nominations. Stop. Next. Specific submission of the petitioner is that despite the order passed by the court, the candidates were unable to file their nominations. Stop. It has been highlighted that the candidates were terrorized, beaten up mercilessly, and were prevented from filing their nominations. Stop. Next. The petitioner prays for a direction upon the State Election Commission to permit them to file their nomination by today. Stop. Be it recorded that yesterday was the last date for filing the nomination at 3 p.m. Stop. Next. Learned advocate for the petitioner refers to paragraph number 33 of the
First 28.
29.
28 to 34. I referred.
Paragraph numbers 28 to 34 of the judgment delivered by the Honorable Division Bench of this court, headed by the Honorable the Chief Justice, in appeal being WPA within
Can you take the
bracket
last
P.
one? 287.
WPA within bracket P 287 of 2023
My lord.
within bracket Shubhendu Odhikari and another versus the West Bengal State Election Commission and others on 13th June 2023. Stop. It has been submitted that the Honorable Division Bench in the said judgment observed that under section 43 within bracket 1 of the Panchayat Act, the State Election Commission is the appropriate authority to take a decision with regard to the extension of the date for filing of the nomination. Stop.
Then 33, 34.
It has been submitted that the court specifically observed that if there is any reasonable apprehension of prevention or obstruction to making of nominations, or there has been any alleged obstruction, the aggrieved party has to take recourse to the provisions laid down under subsection 2 of section 46 of the Act in the manner as specifically provided therein. Stop. The court further directed that as per section 46 within bracket 2, if the commission, on receipt of complaints from the intending candidates or the recognized political parties is satisfied that there is reasonable apprehension of prevention or of obstruction to the intending candidates, the Commission may, by order, issue a direction to the Panchayat Returning Officer to depute one Assistant Panchayat Returning Officer at the office of the concerned subdivisional officer to receive nomination papers within the specified date and hour. Stop. Next. It has also been highlighted that submission was made on behalf of the State Election Commission that the date can be postponed by 1 day without disturbing the schedule notified under Section 42 of the Act. Stop. Next. Learned advocate for the petitioner, paragraph, submits that the State Election Commission has extended the date for filing of the nomination in respect of the Shikha Bandhus. Stop. It has been submitted that a day may be extended for the petitioners also, as the petitioners were obstructed and resisted from filing their nominations within the stipulated time period, despite direction passed by the Honorable Court.
Lord, not petitioners. I am the district president. I am the candidates of my party.
For the কি বললাম একটু?
For the willing, maybe willing candidates, my lord. Right.
No, as the representatives of the Bharatiya Janata Party. ঠিক আছে? Next. Learned senior advocate representing the State Election Commission submits upon instruction that the Commission shall take steps in accordance with the order passed by the Honorable Court. Stop. Next. Upon hearing the submissions made on behalf of all the parties and upon perusal of the materials on record, it appears that despite due diligence taken by the representatives of the Bharatiya Janata Party, they were prevented and obstructed from filing their nominations within the stipulated time period.